Guys, right, I am finally back. I had to have a bit of a week off last week because one of our dogs, the older one, Saffron, was pretty ill. She kept spewing up in the middle of the night, and I was just pretty much that exhausted pigeon meme. I was exhausted at all times, so I just did not have the energy or power to do this. And the dog was kind of ill. She's fine now. She has a bit of a weird stomach anyway, but anyway, I'm back. I hope you all had a good last week, and let's get straight back into some opening boxing. This one is Loot Box, which I think is actually a loot crate. No, it says loot box, which is loot box for her, which is why it is pink, obviously. Anyway, let's get into it. Molly is also here, next to me. Saffron is the one that's not right. Oh, there we go. Trying to open it. Saffron is kind of hiding. She's sort of here. She's coming over because she heard her name now, but they're both doing pretty good. I mean, okay. So this is the first time I bought this box. I can't remember how much it was. I will look it up. It's Australian. Massive plus for me. And I think shipping was $10. And it's a loot box for her. Can we all just chill now? I don't know what's going to be in it. I cannot for the life of me remember. I ordered so many boxes 2 weeks ago. I don't know what. There's another box in front of me, which will be in a video directly after this that will go out on Monday, which is Japanese treats, and I also can't wait to open that either. But yeah, yeah, I'll look it up because I'm useless. Yeah. So you guys can get the first look of what's in it. It is a, oh lord, it is a microfiber spa savvy hair towel, because what I need is a hair towel. Now it says it's 8 times more absorbent than cotton. Oh, microfiber, like that stuff you clean the windows with, right? I mean, I'll give it a go. Okay, there's 3 steps to doing it. Let's try it. If I can get, okay, I'm gonna need my slipper. Let's try it before we move on, because otherwise I'll forget. Oh, I don't like feel. Okay, so it's literally just a white microfiber cloth. Okay, so it says to put your head forward and then wrap exactly like I used to do when I was a kid, and then tuck it back, except that in the picture it shows that the towel is huge and long and she can tuck it like all the way back here. That's mine. I don't know what I've done wrong, but is there a specific way I'm doing it that's wrong? Let me see. Is there a mark on here, or no? It's just. Ooh, maybe you do it the long way. But then it doesn't fit my head. No, that's not gonna work. This is a microfiber towel. I'm just gonna put that down now because that's just silliness. I mean, it might work good, but I don't know how to put it on my head so that it actually stays. Maybe I should look up a video on how to do this. I'm gonna look up a video and see if I can find one. And let you know if I find one just here. And if I could do it, which I highly doubt. Okay, that's the first item. This is the same company, and it's one of those gunny spray bottles, and it says Life isn't perfect, but your hair could be. Yeah, well, I ruined mine with a towel. It's cute. It's kind of cute. Do you know what I use these for? When I make bread, I spray the oven with them to make the oven smell pretty. Or not smell pretty. When I make bread, I spray the oven with one of these to put some moisture in the oven. Which is pretty, it works pretty well. I mean, you don't get too much moisture in there for your bread, and it keeps the crust from going crazy. Okay, next thing. Some 50ml refreshing facial wash. Is the Simple brand, and the soothing facial toner. I have never tried the Simple brand, but I know some people like it, so I'll give it a go. It is made in the UK, so that's pretty good. Okay, what else? What is this? Naked Bean Coffee Cream Face Mask with lingonberries and bilberries. Got my beaker face on. Oh, you can smell, like, I was like, oh, I won't be able to smell it because there's foil over it. I can smell it without taking the foil off. It smells like coffee. It certainly smells like a berry-based coffee item. So let's oh no. Oh. It's definitely got coffee grounds in it. Oh no, I'm not putting that on my face. Oh no. Oh no. There's that microfiber towel. Yuck. Yeah. No, that I don't think I'll be. It's a very aggressive coffee smell. Like coffee with also hairspray. That kind of. I'm just gonna wipe this off my hand now on the microfiber towel from earlier. Ooh, it's a banana. What does banana do? It's a banana. Apparently it is banana milk moisture hand cream. Oh. It smells like cloves. And maybe cinnamon. Or it doesn't smell like it's bananas yet. It smells like cloves and cinnamon. I wonder if that's actually in there. I'm glad it doesn't smell like banana. Yeah, I know, Molly. Yeah, I'm really, really glad it doesn't actually smell like banana, but yeah, it smells like clove oil and maybe some cinnamon. It's not too greasy. I mean, okay, now the banana's coming through and it smells like old banana skins. And coffee, because put it on the same place where the coffee was. Oh dear. I'm definitely going to need a shower after this. Okay, what's this? It's a jewel journal. It's a little thing that says jewel journal on it. Okay, what does it do? I think it's literally just a pad of paper. Oh yeah, it's just a cute little pad of paper with a nice design on it and some Velcro to do it up, because just in case your paper falls out. Okay, there are only 2 things left in this box so far. I'm fairly underwhelmed and probably won't order this again. This is a candy lip balm by Butterfly Kiss, and it's a lip sleeping mask / lip balm. So it's a lip balm. it's strawberry scented. You see how it's melted and reformed? Oh no. Oh, it smells like a My Little Pony. I'm just gonna put that back in there and pretend I never saw it. Oh. That is a scent. It doesn't taste of anything, but that is a very strong scent. Okay, this is a tea tree and peppermint deep moisture hand pack. Apparently you stick your hands in it. It's like a little pair of gloves. For 15 to 20 minutes. It says, avoid using on skin which is sensitive to plasters or medical tape. Stop using if skin becomes red, swollen or itchy during use. If symptoms persist, seek medical advice. How bad can it be? It's made of friggin' tea tree and peppermint. I'm gonna give this a go because my hands are so dry and crusty and just there. So I'm actually going to give that a go at some stage when I have nothing to do with my hands, which is pretty much never. Okay, and that is it in this box. I'm so underwhelmed. This just needs to go in the bin. This probably needs to also follow it. I quite like this. I'm not gonna lie, apart from the fact that eventually the smell that comes out is banana, like old banana skins, but the initial smell is quite nice. These two I'm gonna give a go. This will be useful, but not for the use they have given it to me for. I might give that to my niece, who's 3. She likes cute stuff. And this wonderful towel that I wipe the coffee, that's not what it looks like. It's that coffee face stuff. I will look up a video and see if we can find out how to use it. It's catching on every tiny little bit of skin on my fingers right now. It's just horrible. I hate it. I hate microfiber cloths and all that they stand for. So, not the best start to the new year, was it, guys? Yay! What can I say that's good about this? It arrived fast. That's it, that's all I have. That's the only good thing I can think of about this box. There's nothing that made me go, ooh, I like that. And made me go, ooh, that was actually worth the price. There wasn't even a list of prices in here. Like, I don't even know how much each thing is worth, even though they probably would have made it up anyway. So while I will link where I got it from in the comments, I would not actively recommend buying it. That sounds really harsh, but also it's true. It's true. I can't lie to you guys. It's bad. There we go. Anyway, onto something nicer. Do you like my new art? I actually ordered these 2-3 months ago, and I've only just gotten around to putting them somewhere because obviously I had Christmas decorations on here before. This is an artist in Brisbane. I cannot remember her name. Let me pull this down. It's got a little booklet in it that tells me what her name is. Kristie Page. And it actually comes with this cute little booklet as well. She's got an Instagram and a website and all the good stuff. And she just does some beautiful artworks. And I wanted to get one for Christmas of this lady here. She is my absolute favourite. I'll bring it down. That one. Isn't that amazing? I just love it so much. But my husband said, why would you want to do that? Happily for me, Kristie had this cute little guys, that was Alex knocking on the counter. Luckily for me, Kristie Page has this set of really thick card. They're print. I think they're prints, and then she inlays the gold into it, which is really, really nice, by hand. And yeah, this set of 6 I think was like $36. Oh, is it 6? This set of 7, sorry, was I think around $36, and it's just the best thing. And I want to get little frames for all of them and just put them along here. But until then, they're here. And I will put her website in the comments as well, because they are amazing. They come in this cute little box. Look at that. It's like all Art Deco-y and Art Deco. Anyway. Next up we have a Tokyo treat box, which will be on, well, this is going out on Friday evening. So let's put Tokyo treats out on Tuesday. So stay tuned, come back on Tuesday and watch that one. I'm gonna try some Japanese treats, and I got the premium box, so that will be fun. I will still be wearing this because I'm doing it right now, and I need a shower, so I can't bother to go get changed, come back, do snacks. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, let me know of other boxes you would like me to review. I have a good few coming in the mail, and tomorrow we'll be doing, not well, tomorrow for me, but next week for you, we'll also be doing Lumi boxes. The reason I haven't announced the winner for the Lumi box for January is because the January Lumi box had a lot of skin-based choices. So I will be putting the winner box through for February because it won't have as many skin choices to make. Like last time we could choose the color of the eyebrow pencil. This time there was a lot of skin-based colors to choose from, and I'm like, I have no idea. And obviously you have to order in advance, and so yeah, I will be ordering that for the winner in 2 weeks. It's really not very far, but anyway, we'll do the winner of that at the end of the Lumi video that's coming from next week. I am now out of breath. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, and you can find me on Instagram. Have a good weekend, guys.